10 days after the deadly Pahalgam terror attack, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, that is Omar Abdullah, met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Saturday. This marked the first meeting between the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and the Prime Minister following the attack which claimed the life of 27 people from across India at Pahalgam on 22nd of April. During the 35-minute meeting, Abdullah discussed several matters including the situation that unfolded in the valley post-attack and the notable decline in the tourist numbers across the region. Also, according to the sources, Abdullah arrived at the Prime Minister's residence in the afternoon as per a scheduled appointment and briefed Prime Minister Modi on the situation. Talking to X, that is formerly Twitter, National Conference, that is Abdullah's party, shared Chief Minister Jammu and Kashmir Omar Abdullah called on the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the New Delhi and discussed various issues including the last week's Pahalgam terror attack. The Jammu and Kashmir CM's meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi occurred amid rising tension between the India and Pakistan following the attack, an increasing call for the strong military action against the terror camps and other elements promoting the terrorism from the Pakistani soil. Also, sources reported that the Jammu and Kashmir CM also extended his government support to the center in the fight against terrorism during the meeting. Recently, Abdullah stated that public outrage following the attack had sent a powerful message to the terrorists and signaled a nearing end to terrorism in the Jammu and Kashmir. Addressing special session of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly after the attack, he said that the assembly felt the pain of the victims' family more than anyone else and condemned the killing during one-day session. Also, his words struck a chord when he said that I did not have the words to apologize to these families. Though the security of Jammu and Kashmir is not the responsibility of the elected government, he also expressed sorrow for failing to ensure the safe return of the tourists, acknowledging his role as the tourism minister. Meanwhile, sources suggested that the Abdullah's meeting with the Prime Minister Modi was also an expression of solidarity with any action taken against terrorism and the element that support it. Notably, following Abdullah's meeting with the Prime Minister Modi, the Navy chief also met with the Prime Minister reportedly to brief him on the latest preparedness against the terrorism. It is also believed that the India may soon deliver a strong response to what is seen as the terror factory of Pakistan following the diplomatic efforts to isolate it after the attack. The President of India, Prime Minister Modi, and the senior ministers have postponed some foreign visits due to the prevailing tensions between the two nuclear-armed nations. Sources stated that the airspace between Pakistan and India is closed until 23rd of May.